Check this out, guys. 1946 Ford ramp truck. Now, I don't know if they had ramp trucks back in 1946. I'm guessing this back end here was added on to the cab. Someone can help me out with that. I'm pretty sure this whole back end right here was not part of the truck. I could be wrong. Yeah. I don't know. Can't really tell. But it's cool. There's like a little bit modern steering wheel on it. Gauges. I think it's check out the price in a minute here. '46 ramp truck. I'm just guessing it's got some modern stuff on it here with like the ramp and everything on. Can't really tell. If you guys want to read that, you can. That's what they're asking for, 31,000 bucks. That'd be cool to have to follow around your race car on. Hey guys, subscribe to the channel. Leave your comments down below. Tell me what you think of this truck. Let me know if any of you guys know if this back end was added on, because I don't think that's from 1946. I could be wrong. I've been wrong before, but guys, let me know what you think. You could actually put two small cars on the back of this, probably. It's long, man. You gotta be careful with driving this thing around. Well, there you go, guys. Until the next video, we'll catch y'all later. Please subscribe, leave your comments down below, like the video, and we'll see you in the next one.